That's the name. That's the name of my followers, the Coco Crew.
You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the chocolate chat.
The chocolate chat? Is that what we're
Whoa,
calling
new game! New game! New game!
What is this?
What's this? I love it already. I love it already.
Love it already.
Horizon?
Streaming
Horizon?
now, so
Horizon?
It's my issue over here.
It can't be Horizon.
Nah, I can't be Horizon.
Ratchet and Clank! Ah! Yes! 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 This is what I want! This is what I wanted! Yes!
Yo,
Hell
shining.
fucking
He's shining.
yes!
Me.
This is what I wanted! This is all I wanted! A new Ratchet and Clank game! Yes!
Are we getting gameplay though? Is it gameplay?
This is gameplay! This is gameplay!
Oh,
Whoa!
there we go.
Whoa! Day won't buy! I'm sold! I'm fucking sold! Into the Nexus?
Yo, that
Are
was
you
cool.
guys seeing this? I wanted this so bad! Yo! A new Spider-Man game, a new Ratchet and Clank game, a new Gran Turismo game, and we're like 12 minutes in, guys! We're 12 minutes in! And you get to ride. Oh my god! What? You can ride dragons in the city!
I'm impressed.
Bro! The pirates are back! This is gameplay! This is gameplay!
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god!
This is gameplay.
Holy.
I want this so badly! Oh god, I just jizzed! I literally just jizzed, I don't care. Oh, well you get to play as Clank again?
We are too late.
Dr. Nefarious!
What the fuck?
What?
Yeah. There it is.
Who the fuck? What? Rift apart! Oh my god! We have a new female Lombax! Oh.